Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to install TPM Diagnosis Tool in Windows 11. So how to do this, let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all going to your settings of your Windows, go to your apps, click on optional features, click on view features and search TPM. Now you can see that TPM diagnosis, select it and click on next button and install it. Now TPM diagnosis is installed. Close it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.